In today's video, we are going to look at how to subtract fractions. Let us look at the subtraction of like fractions. Our first problem is 5 by 14 minus 3 by 14. Since they are like fractions, therefore we will just subtract the numerators. So our answer will be 2 by 14. Now, 2 by 14 is not in the simplest form because we have 2 as the common factor between 2 and 14. Therefore, we divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, which gives us 1 by 7 as the answer. Our second example is 14 by 19 minus 6 by 19. Since they are like fractions, we will just subtract the numerator and put the denominator as it is, which will give us 14 minus 6, that is 8 by 19. Let us go to the subtraction of unlike fractions. Our first example is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 8. We will have to find the LCM of 3 and 8 as the denominators are not equal. We have seen in our previous video for addition of fractions how to find the LCM. So you can refer to that video to find the LCM. So here the LCM is 24. Now we have to convert each of these fractions into an equivalent fraction with denominator 24. In the fraction 2 by 3, the denominator will have to be multiplied by 8 to give us 24. Therefore, the numerator also has to be multiplied by 8 since it has to be converted into an equivalent fraction with denominator 24. This gives us 16 by 24. Similarly, 1 by 8, we have to multiply 8 by 3. Therefore, 1 also gets multiplied by 3, which will give you 3 by 24. Now, we will subtract 3 by 24 from 16 by 24, which will give us 13 by 24 as the answer. Let us look at our second problem, 9 by 16 minus 1 by 4. We have to find the LCM of 16 and 4. The LCM is 16. Now, we have to convert each of these fractions into an equivalent fraction with denominator 16. The first fraction is 9 by 16, which will be left as it is, or we can just multiply the numerator and denominator by 1. Now, the second fraction, 1 by 4, we have to multiply the denominator by 4 to give us 16. Therefore, the numerator also has to be multiplied by 4. So, our fraction will become 4 by 16. Now, we will subtract 4 by 16 from 9 by 16, which will give us 5 by 16. Let's look at our third problem, which is 5 by 8 minus 2 by 6. We have to find the LCM of 8 and 6. Now, the LCM is 24. We have to convert each of the fractions into an equivalent fraction with denominator 24. Let's look at the first fraction, 5 by 8. We have to multiply the denominator 8 by 3 to give us 24. Therefore, the numerator 5 will also be multiplied by 3 to give us 15. The fraction will become 15 by 24. Now, let's take the fraction 2 by 6. 6 will have to be multiplied by 4 to give us 24. Therefore, the numerator 2 has to also be multiplied by 4, which will give us 8 by 24. Now, let's subtract 8 by 24 from 15 by 24. This will give us 7 by 24 as the answer. Subscribe to our channel for more maths videos. In case of any other inquiries, such as live classes for maths or any other subject, do visit our website or call us on the numbers given below.